If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for gear that can make your camping trips more convenient, comfortable, and downright enjoyable. Today, I'm breaking down 20 camping gadgets that you probably didn't even know existed. But once you see them, you'll wonder how you ever camped without them. From ultralight solutions to clever innovations that solve those annoying camping problems we all face, this list has something for everyone. So let's dive right in. First up is the G4 Free Beach Tote Bag. Made from 100% nylon, this bag comes in 3 capacities, 35, 50, and 80 liters, plus various colors to match your style. The nylon construction makes it lightweight yet durable enough to handle outdoor wear and tear. Use it for hauling firewood, organizing wet gear, or storing sandy equipment. It works great as a car organizer, day hike bag, or for packing out campsite trash. For the price, it's a versatile solution that adds serious organizational value to any camping setup. Number 2. Kelty Loveseat 2-person folding chair. The Kelty Loveseat reinvents campfire seating. This 2-person folding chair supports up to 400 pounds with alloy steel and polyester construction. Despite seating 2 people, it weighs just 2.2 pounds. You get adjustable height armrests, built-in cup holders, and padded roll tote storage for easy transport. Available in 2 sizes and multiple colors, it's perfect for couples or friends who want to sit side by side by the fire. The combination of lightweight portability and thoughtful features makes this a cozy, practical upgrade from traditional single-camp chairs. Number 3. Featherstone Backbone Camping Tent. For solo adventurers, the Featherstone Backbone Tent delivers lightweight reliability. This 1-person, 3-season triangular tent offers 19 square feet of floor area with dimensions of 85 inches long by 20 inches wide. At just 2.5 pounds minimum trail weight, it's perfect for backpackers. The 45-inch maximum height lets you sit up comfortably. It includes a compression stuff sack, stakes, and reflective guy line rope. Water resistance comes from silicone coating, DWR treatment, and waterproof seam tape. The nylon construction balances durability with weight savings, ideal for mobile campers prioritizing performance. Number 4. Scrubba Untouched Wash Bag. The Scrubba Untouched Wash Bag is a portable washing machine for the outdoors. This 13-liter nylon bag weighs only 5.3 ounces and features an internal washboard texture. Add clothes, water, and detergent, then scrub by rolling the bag. Perfect for extended trips where laundry facilities don't exist. It means you can pack fewer clothes and stay fresh longer. The lightweight design takes minimal pack space, and it doubles as a dry bag when not washing. Number 5. Vesufem Quick Dry Water Sports Barefoot Shoe. The Vesufem Quick Dry Water Sports Barefoot Shoe is essential for water-loving campers. Made from ethylene vinyl acetate, these water-resistant shoes dry quickly after stream crossings, shore walks, or wet morning dew. The barefoot design protects your feet while maintaining natural flexibility and comfort. Quick drying prevents blisters and discomfort that wet shoes typically cause. They're lightweight and packable, perfect as backup footwear, camp shoes, or for late-night bathroom trips. Next up is the Origin Portable Air Pump. And this gadget is a campsite powerhouse. Weighing just 480 grams, it packs 2 3.7-volt 1,600 mAh rechargeable batteries for extended use. It delivers an impressive 300 liters per minute airflow with a maximum pressure of 5.2 kilopascals. What sets it apart is the 600 lumen light system, perfect for nighttime setup, and noise levels below 70 decibels, so you won't disturb neighboring campers. If you're inflating air mattresses, pool floats, or deflating gear for packing, this pump handles it all efficiently. Number 7. Mr. Barbecue Collapsible Barbecue Grilling Caddy. The Mr. Barbecue Collapsible BBQ Grilling Caddy solves the age-old problem of organizing grilling tools at camp. This rectangular plastic caddy weighs 3.03 pounds and features adjustable, customizable compartments. It's lightweight and practical for outdoor activities, keeping all your grilling essentials, spatulas, tongs, seasonings, and brushes in one convenient place. The collapsible design means it stores flat when not in use, saving precious cargo space. No more rummaging through bins or leaving tools scattered around the grill. Everything stays organized and within arm's reach, making your outdoor cooking experience smooth and enjoyable. Number 8. Thermomaven Propane Torch. For fire-starting efficiency, meet the Thermomaven Propane Torch. Constructed from ABS, brass, and zinc, this torch weighs 14.08 ounces and reaches a scorching 1,800 degrees Celsius maximum temperature. It's perfect for lighting campfires quickly, charring food, searing meats, or even clearing weeds around your campsite. The propane-powered design provides consistent, reliable heat in any weather condition. No more struggling with wet matches or lighters. For campers who value efficiency and reliability when starting fires, this torch delivers professional-grade performance in a portable package. Number 9. Kitwellman Solar Camping Fan. Stay cool with the Kitwellman Solar Camping Fan. This 7-watt fan is both solar and battery-powered, requiring just one 9-volt battery. Weighing 2.2 pounds, it features 90-degree folding for versatile positioning and quick recharge in 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. Hot summer nights in a tent can be miserable, but this fan provides continuous airflow without draining your power bank. The dual power source means you're never stuck. Use solar during the day or switch to battery at night. Number 10. Will Barbecue Barbecue Skewers. The Will Barbecue Barbecue Skewers bring quality to campfire cooking. Made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, these 13.7-inch skewers weigh just 9 ounces for the set. The food-grade stainless steel construction means they're rust-resistant, durable, and safe for direct food contact. Unlike wooden skewers that burn or cheap metal ones that bend, these maintain their integrity through countless cookouts. The length provides safe distance from flames, while giving you enough surface area for vegetables, meat, marshmallows, or whatever you're grilling. A simple but essential upgrade for any camping chef. Number 11. Botare Camp Kitchen Wipes. Let's talk about cleanliness with Botare Camp Kitchen Wipes. These specialized wipes are designed specifically for outdoor cooking and cleanup. If you're camping, access to running water and proper dishwashing facilities is limited. They're perfect for quick cleanups between meals or when you need to sanitize surfaces before food prep. The compact packaging makes them easy to pack and store in your camp kitchen setup. No more struggling with limited water supplies or leaving dishes dirty overnight. Number 12. Taste-Style Mini Coffee Maker. Coffee lovers, rejoice! The Taste-Style Mini Coffee Maker brings barista-quality brew to the wilderness. This compact maker has a 12-ounce capacity and operates on 120 volts. It accepts capsules, ground coffee, or pods, giving you brewing flexibility. Weighing just 2.42 pounds, it offers brew sizes from 6 to 12 ounces. The multiple input options mean you're not locked into expensive proprietary pods. Starting your morning with fresh, hot coffee elevates the entire camping experience. Number 13. DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Station. The DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Station is a game-changer for power-hungry campers. This beast delivers 2,200 watt-hours of capacity with 2,400 watt high-power output. Weighing 33 pounds at 120 volts, it features dual 140-watt USB-C outputs for fast charging. It charges DJI drones 1 times faster and includes electric start with a 4-stroke engine. The 1,024 watt-hours capacity powers laptops, cameras, lights, mini fridges, and more for extended periods. For photographers, content creators, or anyone needing reliable off-grid power, this station provides professional-grade capability without the noise and fumes of traditional generators. Number 14. VSSL Insulated Flask. Stay hydrated with the VSSL Insulated Flask. This rectangular-shaped flask holds 8 fluid ounces and weighs 12.2 ounces. The unique rectangular design makes it easier to pack in bags and pockets compared to traditional round flasks. Insulation keeps beverages hot or cold for extended periods, perfect for morning coffee on cold mornings or refreshing cold water on hot afternoons. The compact size doesn't take up much space, but provides enough liquid to keep you going between refills. It's a reliable hydration companion that fits seamlessly into your camping gear without adding unnecessary bulk or weight. Number 15. Elevon Hammock Stand. The Elevon Hammock Stand liberates hammock camping from tree dependency. Made from alloy steel, it supports up to 450 pounds and assembles in just 2 to 5 minutes. No tools required. This stand means you can set up your hammock anywhere: beaches, deserts, open fields, or campsites without suitable trees. The sturdy construction ensures stability and safety, even with significant weight. The portability factor opens up camping locations you couldn't access before with traditional hammock setups. Number 16. Rockwood Premium Barbecue Lump Charcoal. Let's talk about Rockwood Premium Barbecue Lump Charcoal, the fuel that makes a difference. Unlike standard briquettes, lump charcoal burns hotter, cleaner, and produces less ash, giving you better flavor and easier cleanup. Rockwood's premium quality means consistent heat distribution for perfectly grilled meals every time. The natural wood construction provides authentic smoky flavor that outdoor cooking enthusiasts crave. It's an upgrade that serious outdoor chefs genuinely appreciate. Number 17. WorkPro Rechargeable Flashlight. The WorkPro Rechargeable Flashlight offers versatility beyond ordinary lights. Constructed from aluminum, it delivers 450 lumens white brightness and weighs just 2.8 ounces. Powered by lithium-ion battery, it's water-resistant with 2.65 watts output. What sets it apart are the 3 light modes plus a 365 nanometer blacklight. The blacklight feature helps detect scorpions, check for stains, or verify currency. Practical applications most campers don't consider. Multiple light modes adapt to different situations, from reading in your tent to illuminating the entire campsite. It's tactical functionality in a compact package. Number 18. Elegear CumbraX Air and Foam Camping Sleeping Pad. Sleep quality matters, and the Elegear CumbraX Air and Foam Camping Sleeping Pad delivers. Featuring a built-in foot pump for 45-second inflation, this pad combines 26D hexafoam, 50D stretch-knitted fabric, and waterproof TPU layer. The unique hexafoam design provides superior insulation and comfort. At 2 inches thick and weighing 3.75 pounds, it balances cushioning with portability. The built-in foot pump eliminates carrying separate inflation devices. Just step and inflate. The waterproof layer protects against ground moisture, and the foam-air hybrid construction prevents the cold ground from stealing your body heat. Number 19. Leatherman Lightweight Skeletool. Every camper needs a reliable multi-tool, and the Leatherman Lightweight Skeletool is perfection simplified. Made from stainless steel, it has a 4-inch folded size and weighs only 5.6 ounces. Leatherman built this tool with essential functions without unnecessary bulk: pliers, knife, bit driver, carabiner, and bottle opener all in one compact package. If you're cutting rope, tightening screws, opening bottles, or handling emergency repairs, this tool handles it. It's the kind of gear that becomes indispensable once you start using it regularly. Number 20. Lark Bottle PureVis 2 UV Water Purifier. Finally, the Lark Bottle PureVis 2 UV Water Purifier. A revolutionary approach to hydration. This stainless steel bottle holds 680 milliliters and uses UVC light technology to purify water. The technology eliminates up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, making questionable water sources safe to drink. The stainless steel construction keeps water cold while the self-cleaning feature maintains bottle hygiene. It's innovation that addresses a fundamental camping need: safe drinking water in an elegant, effective way. And there you have it. 20 camping gadgets that can genuinely transform your outdoor adventures. From the simplicity of quality charcoal to the innovation of UV water purification, each of these products solves real problems that campers face. I've added the links in the description so you can check out more details on any of these products that caught your attention. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try.